I'm Reprops, and today I'm making Captain America's shield from Marvel's The Avengers. The first thing I did was cut a giant circle out of cardboard, and then I cut a slit out of that and glued it along the seam to give it the curved shape that Captain America's shield has. Then I put a smaller cardboard circle under that to strengthen the shield and to provide a spot to put your arm through the straps. Then I painted the whole thing in a couple layers of wood glue to seal it for paint. Then I painted the shield a base coat of silver using some bright silver spray paint, and then I painted the whole thing red, masking off the circle that would be silver. I did get a little on the area where I was going to paint the blue circle, but that's fine because as long as you let the paint dry enough, you can go through and mask that off and then repaint it blue. Then I masked off the red circle and painted the blue over it, making sure not to get it on any of the other paint. Then I ripped off all of the painter's tape, going pretty slow with this so that I didn't rip any of the layers of paint off it. And then I glued on the silver star that goes in the middle, and then I glued on the leather straps using an old belt buckle. And overall, I think this turned out really good. Even though you can see the cardboard layers, it's nice, and the straps are definitely an added bonus. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe.